Many strange legends are told of these jungles in India, but none as strange as the story of a young boy named Mowgli. It all began when the silence of the jungle was broken by an unfamiliar sound. It was a sound like one never heard before in this part of the jungle. It was a man cub. Had I known how deeply I was to be involved, I would have obeyed my first impulse and walked away. This man cub would have to have nourishment, and soon. Without a mother's care, he would soon perish. And then it occurred to me. A family of wolves I knew had been blessed with a litter of cubs. 10 times the rains had come and gone, and I often stopped by to see how Mowgli the man cub was getting along. He was a favorite of all the wolf cubs in the pack. And then, one night, the Wolfpack elders met at Council Rock because a fierce tiger, Shere Khan, had returned to their part of the jungle, and they feared for the boy's safety. Even the strength of the pack was no match for the tiger. It was at that moment that I decided to take Mowgli to a nearby man village where I knew he would be safe. And that, my friends, is how our journey into Jungle Book began.
Bagheera, I'm getting sleepy. Shouldn't we start back home?
Mowgli, this time we're not going back. I'm taking you to a man village.
But why?
Because Shere Khan, the tiger, has returned to this part of the jungle, and he has sworn to kill you.
Kill me? Why would he want to do that?
He hates man, and Shere Khan is not going to allow you to grow up to become just another hunter with a gun.
Well, we'll just explain to him.
No one explains anything to Shere Khan.
Well, maybe so, but I'm not afraid. I want to stay in the jungle.
Oh, you wouldn't last one day.
I can look after myself.
That's enough. Things will look better in the morning. Now get some sleep.
A parade!
Sure, but don't talk. It's against regulations.
Up, 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 2, 3, 4, to the rear. 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 2, 3, 4, company. Halt!
That means stop.
March, march, march. My feet are killing me.
I'm putting in for a transfer to another herd.
Silence in the ranks. Eyes front. Inspection. A dusty muzzle. Carry on, carry on. Let's have a little more spit and polish on those bayonets. What Wipe off that silly grin, soldier. This is the army. And as for you... Oh, yes, well, there you are. Well, let's keep those heels together, shall we, son?
Okay, Pop. Sir.
Well, a new recruit. I say, what happened to your trunk? Oh, it's a man cub. Oh, this is treason, sabotage. I shall have no man cub in my jungle.
It's not your jungle.
Hold it! I can explain, Colonel Hattie. The man cub is with me. I'm taking him back to the man village.
To stay?
You have the word of Bagheera.
Well, good. And remember, an elephant never forgets, sir. About face, forward, march!
You are going back to the man village right now.
I'm not going. I'm staying right here.
You're going if I have to drag you? Oh, that does it. I've had it, man cub. From now on, you're on your own. Alone!
Well, it's a do-buddy-do. I mean a doobie-doobie-doobie-doobie-doobie-doo. Well, now, what have we here?
Go away.
Oh, boy, I've seen everything in these woods.
Leave me alone.
Well, that's pretty big talk, Little Britches.
I'm big enough.
Pitiful. Hey, kid, you need help. And old Baloo's gonna learn you to fight like a bear. Now put up your dukes. Come on, now get loose. Get real loose and then start to weave. Weave a little bit. That's it. Now give me a big bear growl. Scare me. Oh, boy. I'm talking about a big bear growl. Come on. A big one. Right from your toes.
How's that?
Now you're getting it, kid. Here I come.
Oh, no, it's Baloo, that shiftless, stupid jungle bum.
Look for an opening. Ha ha. Kid, you're doing great. He's a dandy.
Fine teacher you are, old Iron Paws.
Sorry, Little Britches. I didn't mean to lay it on so hard.
Oh, I'm all right. I'm not hurt. I'm a lot tougher than some people think.
You're all right, kid. What do they call you?
Mowgli, and he's going back to the man village right now.
The man village? They'll ruin him. They'll make a man out of him.
Oh, Baloo, I want to stay here with you.
Certainly you do.
Oh, and just how do you think he will survive?
And you think he's with me, ain't he? And I'll learn him all I know.
Well, that shouldn't take too long.
Look, it's like this, Little Britches. All you gotta do is look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities are Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life. Wherever I wander, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. When you look under the rocks and plants, take a glance at the fancy ants, then maybe try a few.
You eat ants?
You better believe it, and you're gonna love the way they tickle. Hey, Baggy, you hungry?
Mowgli, look out!
The bare necessities of life will come to you.
They'll come to me?
They'll come to you.
No, of all the silly gibberish.
Oh, come on, Baggy, get with the beat. Hey, Mowgli, how about scratching that old left shoulder there for me? Oh, yeah. Now, just a hair lower. There, that's it. Kid, we need to get to a tree. This calls for some big scratching. Oh, delicious. Watch yourself, Little Britches. Come on.
You're lots of fun, Baloo.
You better believe it, kid. Ha ha, now you're getting it. when you're swinging with Baloo, you're really living. Oh, groove it, man. Ha, ha. Yeah. Man, now that's what I call the perfect scratch. Hey, Mowgli, how about you singing? Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife.
Damn it!
I mean the bare necessities. That's why a bear can rest at ease with
Just the bare necessities.
so simple bare necessities. With just the bare necessities of life. Hey, what are you guys doing?
let go of me.
Hey, get your
Lou, help
flea-picking
me.
hands
They're
off
carrying
my
me
cub.
away.
Give me back my man cub. All right, you guys. You asked for it. Bagheera!
All right, what's happened? Where's Mowgli?
They ambushed me. Thousands of them.
For the last time, what happened to Mowgli?
Like I told you, them mangy monkeys carried him off.
Ancient ruins. I hate to think what will happen when he meets that king of theirs.
Don't worry, Maggie, I'll save him. Hang on, kid. Don't let him drop you.
We got it! Yes, sir! And here he is, man!
So you're the man cub. Crazy.
I'm not as crazy as you.
Cool it, boy. Unwind yourself. Have a banana. Let's shake, cousin.
What do you want from me?
Word has grabbed my royal ear that you want to stay in the jungle.
I sure do.
Well, that's good. And old King Louie, swatted the I can fix it for you.
Yes, sir. I'll do anything to stay in the jungle.
Well, then I'll lay it on the line for you. A baba doo doo dooby doo. Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop. That's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man cub, and stroll right into town and be just like the other men. I'm tired of monkeying around. Oh, whoopie-doo, I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you too. You'll see it through, and they black me. Can learn to be human too.
Gee, Cousin Louie, you're doing real good.
Now here's your part of the deal, cuz. Lay the secret army of man's red fire.
But I don't know how to make fire.
Now don't try to kid me, man cub. I made a deal with you. What I desire is man's red fire to make my dream come true. Now, give me the secret, man cub. Come on, tell me what to do. Give me the power of man's red flower so I can be like you.
Fire, so that's what that scoundrel's after.
I'll tear him limb from limb. I'll beat him with a... Oh, man. What a beat.
Will you listen? Now, while you create a disturbance, I'll rescue Mowgli. Got that?
I'm gone, man. Solid gone. Hey! With a reed banana. With a live bazina. What about Boulevard? See the bad duty. With a lot
I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You'll see it through, and they like me.
Shake man, baby.
Can learn to be like someone like me.
Take me home, Daddy.
Can learn to be like someone like you. One more time.
And learn to be like someone like me. Skiddly bop bop baba doo ba da boo da boo da boo da boo da. Smash!
It's Baloo, the bear! Baloo! Yeah, that's him! That's square, get in here!
Man, now that's what I call a swinging party.
What have we here? It's a man cub, a delicious man cub.
Oh, go away and leave me alone.
You don't trust me? No? Well, then there's nothing I can do to help.
You want to help me?
Certainly. I can see that you never leave this jungle.
How can you do that?
Oh, I have my own subtle little ways. You can believe in me. Trust in me. Just in me. Shut your eyes and trust in me. You can sleep safe and sound, knowing I am around. Slip into silent slumber, sail on the silver mist. Slowly and surely your senses will cease to resist. You're snoring.
Sorry.
Trust in me. Just in me. Shut your eyes and trust in me. Oh, yes, man cub. Rest in peace.
Baloo, the man cub must go back to the man village. The jungle is not the place for him.
I grew up in the jungle. Take a look at me.
Yes, just look at yourself. Baloo, you've got to be serious about this.
Oh, stop worrying, Baggy. I'll take care of him.
Like you did when the monkeys kidnapped him?
Can't the guy make one mistake?
Not in the jungle. And another thing, sooner or later, Mowgli will meet Shere Khan.
The tiger? What's he got against the kid?
He hates man with a vengeance, you know that. He fears man's gun and man's fire.
But little Mowgli don't have those things.
Well, Shere Khan won't wait until he does. He'll get Mowgli while he's young and helpless. By just one swipe.
Well, what are we gonna do?
We'll do what's best for the boy.
You better believe it. You name it and I'll do it.
Good. Then you will take Mowgli back to the man village.
Why me?
Because he won't listen to me.
But I love that kid. I love him like he was my own cub.
Then think what's best for Mowgli and not for yourself.
Can't I wait until morning?
It's morning now. Go on, Baloo.
Mowgli. Mowgli? Mowgli!
Now what's happened?
You're not gonna believe me. He's gone. The little fella ran out on me.
Well, don't just stand there. Let's separate. We've got to find him.
Oh, if anything happens to that little guy, I'll never forgive myself. I gotta find him. Mowgli!
now for my rendezvous with the little man cub. Could it be possible that you don't know who I am?
I know you, all right. You're Shere Khan.
Then you should also know that everyone runs from Shere Khan.
You don't scare me. I won't run from anyone.
Ah, you have a spirit for one so small, and that spirit is deserving of a sporting chance. Now I'm going to count to 10. It makes the chase more interesting for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Run, Mowgli, run!
Baloo, help me!
I gotcha.
You can let go, Baloo!
Are you kidding? There's teeth on the other end. Oh no! Ah!
Baloo!
Try to understand.
Bagheera, what's the matter with him?
You've got to be brave, like Baloo was.
You don't mean... Oh no, Baloo.
Now I know how you feel. But you must remember, Mowgli, greater love hath no one than he that lays down his life for his friend. When great deeds are remembered in this jungle, one name will stand above all others. Our friend Baloo, the bear.
He's cracking me up.
The memory of Baloo's sacrifice and bravery will forever be engraved on our saddened hearts.
I wish my mother could hear this.
It's best we leave now.
Hey, don't stop now, Baggy. You're doing great.
Why, you big fraud!
Baloo, you're all right!
I've never felt better.
You sure had us worried.
Oh, I was just taking 5. Hey, Baggy, too bad you missed the action. You should have seen the way I made a sucker out of Old Stripes. With that left in his face, boom, boom, I was giving him whang. You want to know something? We're good sparring partners.
You better believe it.
Yes, sir. And nothing or nobody is gonna ever come between us again.
My own home, my own home, my own home, my own home.
What's that?
That's the Man Village.
No, I mean that.
Forget about those. They ain't nothing but trouble.
Just a minute. I've never seen one before.
So you've seen one, so let's go.
I want a better look.
Ah, come
Oh,
on,
Baloo,
kid.
let him have a better look.
Father's hunting in the forest, mother's cooking in the home. I must go to fetch the water till the day that I am grown. Till I'm grown, till I'm grown. I must go to fetch the water till the day that I am
Mowgli, come back. Come back.
Go on, go on.
He's hooked.
It was bound to happen. Mowgli is where he belongs now.
Yeah, I guess you're right. But I still think he would have made one swell bear. Well, come on, Baggy Buddy. Let's get back to where we belong. And get with the beat. Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities.
Forget about your worries and your strife.
Yeah, man, I mean the
bare necessities.
old Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities.
Those simple bare necessities
that bring the bare necessities.